Again, breathe in and slowly breathe out. Allow the body to relax. Soften the shoulders. Relax the face. Let go of any tension in the body. Now simply observe the natural flow of your breath. No need to control it. Just know, breathing in and breathing out. If the mind wanders, gently bring it back to the breath with kindness and patience. For a moment, reflect. I'm here to learn. I'm here to understand the Buddha's words. I'm here with goodwill towards myself and others. May this learning be for wisdom, compassion, and peace. Take one more deep breath in. Hold it for a few seconds. And then gently breathe out. Now keep your palms together close to your heart and say 3 times this word sadhu. 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 Now gently and compassionately open your eyes with a more positive energy, loving kindness, gentleness towards yourself and towards everyone else. Okay. Namo Buddhaya, Namo Dhammaya, and Namo Sanghaya. Dear Venerable monks and nuns from Theravāda and Mahayana traditions, and dear lay friends from around the world, a very warm welcome to all of you. It's with great joy that I welcome you to Dhamma USA, Pali 101, Pali for Beginners, 2026 batch. This year we have over 80 students representing 19 different countries across Europe, Asia, Australia, and the Americas. Though we are physically distant, today we come together as one learning community, united by our interest in the Buddha's original teachings. Before beginning my speech, I would like to introduce my wonderful Kalyana Mitra friend, Bhante Kirinde Chandananda, who is the abbot of this temple here, and I would like to respectfully invite Bhante to say a few words to begin this wonderful session.
Namo Buddhaya. Thank you, Bhante, for asking me to share some thoughts with you all. And first of all, I must congratulate Bhante and everyone for this Pali class, the new Pali class 2026. So just I want to say a few words about the importance of this opportunity, because you all know that if the Dhamma is a treasury, so the key that you got into that treasury is nothing but the language of Pali. So learning Pali is a very wonderful thing. And we all know that the teachings of the Buddha is preserved in its pristine purity in the Pali language. And also, learning Pali is a shortcut to learn the Dhamma too. Because once you know Pali, you know Abhidhamma. If you know Pali, you know Vinaya. If you know Pali, you know Suttas. If you know Pali language, you know Buddhism, Buddhist history, and philosophy, Abhidhamma, psychology, and everything. So, and also Buddhist morality, everything. So by learning Pali, you get the chance to learn everything admitted in Buddhism, Buddhist tradition. So I congratulate Bhante, and Bhante is the wonderful asset to our Buddhist community in the world. He is well versed in the Dhamma and also very eloquent in the languages, and also Bhante has got the Royal Pandit qualification for Pali language, Sanskrit language, and Sinhala language, and Bhante holds PhD from an institute of American University. So I think having Bhante to teach us Pali is one of the greatest blessings we have as Buddhists. So I hope we all can benefit from Bhante's knowledge, experience, and from Bhante's kindness. Thank you, all of you. May all the blessings of the Buddha, Dhamma, and the Sangha be with you all. Thank you.
Thank you very much, dear Bhante Chandananda. He is a very wonderful monk, a true Kalyana Mitra too, and appreciate your blessings at the beginning of this session. As we come together to learn Pali, we need to know some of you are actually monastics already, right? It's okay, we can also learn from the other people. There are a lot of people from different backgrounds. Let's see how it goes. So once again, a very warm welcome to all of you who are joining us online. And we also have some friends here, Ruth and Amruth, in person. Some of you already committed monastics. Some of you are scholars, researchers, and teachers. And some are prestigious people. I've seen your applications, and really nice to see so many wonderful people from different backgrounds joining us. Wherever you come from, you are most welcome here. The importance of Pali. Pali is not merely an ancient language. It's the language through which the Buddha's teachings were preserved. Translations are helpful, but they are interpretations. When we learn Pali, even at a basic level, we begin to hear the Dhamma more directly, with greater clarity and confidence. Understanding Pali helps us. This will help us actually understand suttas and chanting more deeply, and reduce confusion caused by translations. Appreciate the precision of the Buddha's teachings, and support meditation and reflection. Even a small foundation in Pali can transform how we listen, chant, and practice. So about this course, this is a true beginner's course. No prior knowledge is required. We will learn slowly and systematically. I hope you have watched the Pali alphabet already, video. If not, you can watch it later. And some of our friends have already done it. So Pali alphabet and pronunciation we will learn systematically, and basic vocabulary and grammar, meaningful connection to chanting and text. Please be patient with yourself. Learning a language is a gradual process. People from South and Southeast Asian countries, Pali can be much easier, but for the other people, probably if they are new, it can be a little bit more challenging. But don't worry, we will help you. Myself, Bhante Sumita, originally from Sri Lanka, now staying in USA, California. My structured Pali teaching journey began in 2014 at the University of the West through the U-West Pali Society. and later expanded into online Pali courses, reaching hundreds of students across the world. Alongside Pali teaching, my work includes meditation instruction, Dhamma talks, rhythmic Pali chanting, and spiritual guidance, which have supported thousands of practitioners over the years. I am also a peace walking monk. I know peace walk has become so popular today, so I am so happy that I was also involved in a number of peace walking missions in the US and Europe, promoting non-violence, compassion, and harmony across communities. I walk this path not as an authority above you, but as a Kalyana Mitra, spiritual friend. So over here we have community, we have connection, and we have participation. For better learning and connection, we kindly request that your video be kept on during the class, unless it is technically or personally difficult. Seeing one another helps create attentiveness, mutual respect, and a sense of shared journey. We also warmly invite you to follow Dhamma USA on our platforms, YouTube, Facebook, other social media channels. These platforms provide additional teachings, recordings, chantings, and updates that support your learning. Dhamma USA functions as a service-oriented non-profit spiritual community. We warmly encourage volunteers, students, and well-wishers to help us serve better. If you have skills or time to support areas such as maybe class coordination, technical support, social media, outreach, and community care, please feel free to reach out. Serving the Dhamma is itself a powerful practice.